Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my vlog. And where have I been? I have been absolutely going crazy, but it's okay because I'm back now and I am hoping that I am here to stay in this YouTube space. Guys, I am so sorry, but life has really been lifing over here, and I have really been trying to be a mommy. Right now, I'm currently in my closet trying to do this voiceover because there is no intro to this video because it is completely random. But here are some of the wonderful things that I have been up to since I have not been here in this YouTube space. And a huge shout out to my Uncle Prince for encouraging me and telling me that, hey, get on back out there, niece. So, Uncle Prince, this video is dedicated to you. As crazy as it may be, I'm sorry. I am back and I love you guys. And thank you for all of you for sticking around and giving a chance on me to stick around, to hang out with me and all my craziness. But anyway, guys, again, this video is going to be completely random. It's all over the place because, well, I've been all over the place in my mind and in my spirit. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy today's random vlog, and I will be back on shortly saying more random things. So, random thing number one, we're starting off here in the mall where I have been convinced and talked to and persuaded by my two best broke friends, also known as my daughters, to purchase $17 cotton candy. And maybe it was more than that. It may have been like $28 because I was truly fussing and looking at myself like, why are you buying this cotton candy that is $17 or $20? It was too much money at the end of the day for some spun sugar. I was so tempted to just go on Amazon and order a machine and do it myself. But then I saw those little faces and I was like, ugh, okay, have the one.
They're good at their job. These people are really good at
Oh, so cute. You like it? Denver, you like it?
Oh
Denver,
my God, there's a piece of help.
Denver, you like it? And we'll throw in a little random trip to Costco's because, yep, guys, this is a random vlog and this is my random life. Ready?
Good one.
And so here I had to grab a clip when my daughter was actually doing some recording of this piece of furniture right here that you can hardly see, but just try to, act like you can see this really well. Because I took this, which was my daughter's dresser as a baby, and me and my father, my mother, she kind of just told us what to do or what we should do. We refinished it and it became a credenza. And guys, it looks so freaking good. I'm so proud of myself. But I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of the before, and now I'm going to get into how we did it. Yep, and so anywho, I thought I was going to show you how we did it, but of course, in a random vlog, it's not a random vlog unless you have no idea what you did with some of the footage. And I have no idea what I did with some of the footage. So this is definitely a random vlog. But as you guys can see here, we got some plywood. We had it cut down to size. We added some trim to it, added the pulls to it, stained it. And guys, I just think it looks really, really good. Like, it looks like it was always made like this. Ignore me in that picture, y'all. Just look at the furniture. Don't look at me. But anywho, I hope you guys love this. And y'all, I'm just saying, I'm kind of feeling myself right now with this piece of furniture. And I definitely think I am about to add furniture making to my resume. I'm just saying. But anywho, I'm pretty sure that now that I know how to do some of these things, y'all stay tuned. We're going to be doing some stuff over here. So now, at this point, y'all, this is just a whole voiceover video. But anyway, here I was just trying to show you how I had somewhat decorated for spring. I plan to still do a more in-depth video of kind of what the decorations are looking like now, except I don't really plan on changing a whole lot of the decorations right now. But I'll try to go ahead and film a more in-depth video with how I kind of decorated for spring. Easter is over, so the rabbits and all of those things are probably going to disappear, but maybe not, because mean, it's still spring and rabbits are still springing. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit about how I decorated my home for spring and Easter. It looked really nice. Y'all, this kitchen table, I'm so tired of it and I have no idea what to do with it. But ignore the napkins. I'm going to grab those off in just like 2, 3, and 1. Got it. But yeah, so this is just kind of how I decorated for spring. And like I said, I plan to do a more in-depth video. So if that is something that you all are interested in, again, y'all stick with me. I know it's real random today, but it's going to be okay. Every day is not a random day. Most of them are in my home, but you know, hey, it's all right. We're working it out. But anyway, so yep, you guys know Hobby Lobby in the house, Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby. But yeah, so this is how I decorated for spring. I think it looks really, really nice, and I love it. And I'm gonna show you this quick little ladder, yeah, this little ladder over here. And then I'm going to go and finish cleaning because that's actually what I was supposed to be doing instead of filming this.
Your bag.
Denver, you got your backpack? You going to get your Easter eggs? Bessie, you going to get your Easter eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
So Denver, remember?
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Also, Denver, remember in the bathroom, make sure to ask him to hug with you.
Awesome, he's nice. He's cool.
Come on.
He's a nice Easter bunny.
Come on.
You want
Will
to
you
sit?
hop with him? I mean, will you hop with her?
His head might fall off. Do you want to sit?
You wanna
wanna
sit?
with him?
Okay, sure.
And I'll take your picture.
Okay, thank you.
When can we go to the
Look at the rabbit. Destin, did you see the rabbit? You did? You want to come over here? Say hi, little chickie. I see the little chickies and the dog.
They're little chickens. What do you think?
Here, wait a minute, Deborah. Let's wait for them to go. Then you can go.
We can't take them out.
We can't just
We just can't take them out because they don't know.
Okay, there you go. You want to pet it? And just do you want to pet it, Denver? Okay, there you go.
that little duck, the yellow one. That's a duck.
A little duck and some little chickens. That's it. Ooh, I thought you were food. They said we thought you had. They said we thought that was a little food.
Hurt, but it does make you a little nervous, doesn't it?
Say, oh, I thought you was giving us a little food. Okay. Oh, say hi.
I think y'all got it all.
So this is just my little reminder that life isn't always perfect, but it's always beautiful if you can just take some time to breathe in and breathe out and just know it's not going to always be perfect. It's not going to always be pretty. And sometimes it's going to be very crazy and very ugly, just like my phone going off and being disrespectful while I'm trying to record this voiceover. But anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's most random vlog and know that I love you much. And if you're here, you're the real MVP. And I appreciate you tremendously. And again, shout out to my Uncle Prince for telling me, niece, it's time to get on back out there. I greatly appreciated that loving kick in the butt. And I am back, guys. And please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and share my random video. And know that taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through. Know that it's not going to always be perfect, but you can do it. I love you much, and until next time, peace be with you. Love on your loved ones. Love on your loved ones. Because life is truly fleeing right in front of our eyes. So I just want to drop by to give you some encouragement, and I hope that you will leave some encouragement down below in my comment section. And I hope that you will also encourage me by sharing this video and telling others to go on and subscribe. I mean, why not? It's free. But I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. And then there was peace. Both of them knocked out. Time to turn up. In the bed.